To begin with, I'm going to section out the hair around the occipital bone area so that I can create small, thin sections, see-through sections with which to use my razor. That way I'm not trying to cut through too much hair and creating a drag. I use the flat of the blade and I work on just the last inch or so, using the center flat of the blade so that I can create even texture from one to the other. As I'm going along in the back, I'll kind of bring the section from either side to the center and then cut it in. You can see that I just take nice thin sections, and then as I'm taking these sections, I just continue to blend them in. Next thing I'm going to do, as my assistant takes away the ladder she needed, I'm going to go back in and just repeat that process. Now in this instance, I'm going to use the tip of the blade to add additional texture to the bottom section. Just insert it, give it a little cut. Now I'm going to use the side and the end of the blade to create a nice soft texture that's a little bit more enhanced, so the pieces that are razored there get thicker. And then I give it slight bits of elevation as I go. Frequently, the music I use in these videos are created by myself on the computer. What do you think of such stuff? Do you like that kind of thing? Do you do that kind of thing? Is it enjoyable? Please let me know in the comment section what your impressions are. And now it's time to take and let her see some of the technique I'm using. Grab my shears and point cut additionally to create deeper and solid pieces, which is with the occasional, because her hair is so thick, the occasional slide cutting to break up the hair so it's not too solid. I then take a section, triangulated section from the top, I bring it forward, and I just go through very long sections, and I use the center of the blade to razor it, keeping it as long as the sides, or very close as the sides. Now let's take a look at the texture this creates. Nice and soft, easily helps it to move, and very easy to style. Because I want to create even deeper texture, I use the point cutting of the shear, not the razor. I don't want to thin it in this instance. I just want to add deeper texture. If you'd like to see more just like it, visit Perry Kinney Hair Coach on YouTube. Have a great day. Bye for now.